It came over the house, and helicopters are not usually that low, definitely not helicopters. And it was just a loud noise getting nearer, and you saw the lights and you saw it go over, because I looked out of the window, you know, and we saw it go over, which that must have crashed just after, I guess.
I just saw the lights of the helicopter. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear any bangs, I didn't hear any flashes or anything like that, and my house is right on the front and I was watching it. And the first I knew that there was a problem was when the emergency services turned up.